We interrupt regular programming. This is an emergency action notification. The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii. A missile may impact our land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building. And lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. We interrupt regular programming. This is an administrative message. False alarm. There is no missile threat or danger to the state of Hawaii. Repeat. There is no missile threat or danger to the state of Hawaii. False alarm. Regular programming may now resume. We interrupt regular programming. This is a civil danger warning. The emergency alert system has malfunctioned, and there is in fact a real missile threat to the state of Hawaii. The U.S. Pacific Command has spotted 3 nuclear missiles which seem to be originating from North Korea, and are confirmed to be targeted towards the state of Hawaii. The exact location of the detonations are unknown, but the missiles are scheduled to strike Hawaii at exactly 8:47 a.m. Take immediate action. Get underground or in a building. Stay indoors. There is approximately 5 minutes before these missiles strike Hawaii. These locations are now confirmed. The missiles will strike Honolulu, Maui, and Hilo. Seek shelter now. Get to a safe area now. Shield your eyes from the initial blast and take cover. These missiles are expected to destroy standing buildings, houses, and flatten trees. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Detonations are expected to start in 30 seconds. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. Get indoors away from all windows and doors, preferably underground. Prepare for a bright light and immense heat. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now.